at the starters for the Ateneo Blue Eagles, of course, led by Ana Hermosura. As we take a look at their starters, led by, of course, the veterans, Cepada, Bangayan, Reyes, and Pia Arasan, and Escalon with Paneng de Konig Swarter, Vixie Burgos, and Altea Franco. UE will need to start off sharp here, Paneng. And that is exactly what Cepada does.
Ang daming adjustments, no, na may mga players na nawawala, may dumadagdag din. But it's important is how fast you are going to adjust with your team and build your chemistry.
But right now, we see that chemistry, the Blue Eagles. You target Reyes for the first pass. Arasan goes quick, and Famulagan will score.
Well, you can see how the Lady Warriors started this game. That everyone was really confident, high intensity, and we saw a lot of clean hits from their spikers.
Spike of the set brought to you by Duncan Pasal. That's what you want from one of your leaders, Paneng.
That's right, and very steady on the floor, even first ball or defense. So she's being very consistent all throughout this season.
Pressure only comes from the privilege of doing something worthwhile. And in the last game, that reminder felt even more real as her family made the trip from Bacolod to watch her for the first time in this season. To her, seeing them there gave her the motivation that she needed. They're here to embrace the pressure and play with so much fight. This is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair.
That's a good first ball.
Cepada set back by Jihan Chuatico. As this Tibay defensive play of the set is brought to you by Elastoseal. Ciliado Bobo.
She thought that that cross court was open.
Good reflexes there by De Chavez. Pasha from the back row. Straight to Pepino. Bangayan, atake. Popped up. KC going to the middle. And Ateneo now finding their groove.
But she's doing a great job distributing the sets really well and balancing their offense. And not just in the quick hit, but also that was a slide attack from her.
One of Bacolod's best, definitely. Nogueras, that won't work. From the left pit, De Los Santos with a block breaker. Papino, I remember in the first game, she played middle blocker. And now is a winger. Donna De Leon, no blockers there, left unattended. Cortez now with a full front line. Good first pass. Set up Bangayan, cross court, finding the corner.
That was a long ball.
Hermosura has been the main target. And the middle blockers of the Blue Eagles have really came to play.
Now they have been activating their middle attackers. So they're trying to confuse the block of UE.
Bangayan, coverage by Arasan. Reyes will play setter, binalik kay Bangayan. KC going to the left pin. Hermosura targeting hands.
That's right, because that's their chance na makahabol sa lamang ng UE and get a mini run, but unfortunately it ends in errors.
Hermosura pinabawi.
And now they only need 1 point to tie things up.
Arasan sending it to Pepino. De Leon with the coverage. Pasha. Angge. Looking for Kai, and it drops.
That's right. She's actually the primary reason why they got that win against UE during the first round.
Only in her second year here in season 88. Zay Pasha in the meantime. Cortez, binalik kay Pasha. Down the line. They're still looking for their first lead here in set number 1. Cortez. The adjustment by Hermosura, who now has 5 points. Hermosura now at the service line. Arasan. Cepada from the middle. The chase by Bangayan. Chance ball for Ateneo, looking to tie things up. Cortez will set to Donna De Leon.
And it all started with a good first serve. Kaya nahirapan makakuha ng magandang bola doon ang UE, and of course activating their middle attack.
It was a slow start. We talked about it for Ateneo, down by 6. But slowly and surely, got back at it. Bangayan cross court. What an angle.
Yes. Sarado na rin yung down the line. Nowhere to go go there for Bangayan, and that was a good target. Sharp cross court.
Cortez going to De Leon in a wide open spot in the middle.
Medyo madami na nakuha puntos dyan yung mga middle attackers ng Ateneo. Dropping the ball behind.
It's the second time De Leon has done that. And a service ace for J-Lo de los Santos. Down by 1. Cortez.
Nice set.
Top set for Hermosura. That's Doug. Pepino. Can't put it down. Pasha will push. Arasan will set. Binalik kay Pepino, who got the blocker's hands. So we are tied at 23. So that timeout seems to have fired up the Lady Warriors here. Cortez, quick attack. And Donna De Leon pounds it.
Of course, it all started with a good first ball. And yun na nga yung sinasabi ng mga coaches natin. Basic muna. Unahin niyo yung
Target Torres for the service ace. What an insertion for Robbie Cilia.
And like what you said, the serve specialist, and yan yung trabaho niya to make sure that the serve goes inside, and what more, makakuha ka na service ace and close this first set.
And despite a slow start, despite being down by 6, Ateneo.
It was a close first set. And coming to this second set, of course, the pressure is on the side of UE, so we'll see how they will respond.
As we welcome you to set number 2, and that play has been practically unstoppable with Donna De Leon. Kai Cepada leading all scorers here in this game. And a tough serve. Pasha. Arasan covers. Chance ball Ateneo. Cortez will send it back to Zay Pasha. It's Cepada says not here. Bangayan. Slowed down by the blockers. Hermosura will attack. Slowed down as well. Long exchange. Pipe attack. And it's still in play. Quickly to Donna De Leon.
And of course, if you're the star of your team nga, na babantayan ka talaga ng depensa ng opponents. So it's very important for that player to adjust quickly. Yeah, for me, maybe not just for me, but also for my batchmates, no? Because we waited for our time. Now, we had a lot of seniors when we entered the university. Yes.
For Paneng. In the meantime, 2-point lead for Ateneo. Cañete is in for the first time. And Bangayan sending it over. KC, Chuatico. Bangayan from the back. Saved by Hermosura. Now it's De Leon. Arasan. Setting up the left pin. No entry.
That open hit went straight to the blockers. And you could see a very good position there in the cross court. Nowhere to go for that.
7 serving 3 now. Hermosura. Arasan trying Cañete. Jihan shuts the door. Ikia rolls it. Cortez to Jihan Chuatico.
They could already see na dun sila makakuha na madaming puntos coming from the quick hits, and that's why we're seeing a lot of those.
And this time around, they have a better start in comparison to set number 1. The chase by Cortez for a high set. De Los Santos out of system. Back here in set number 2, coming off a UE timeout. It's tight. Arasan. Cepada. Returned. Arasan will push. Cortez, a bump set for De Los Santos. Looking to go around the blockers. Good serve for Cañete. De Los Santos will send it over. Arasan, set up for Cepada. Cortez, set up for De Leon.
Good first ball.
Back with Kai. The reach by Hermosura. Cortez getting creative with it.
And a miscommunication from the side of UE on who will get the second ball. Too easy for Ateneo.
From the right pin. Easy off the block hit for Zay Pasha. 10 excellent sets already for KC Cortez. And a good serve. And a service ace. Arasan to Cepada, picked up easily. Cortez for De Los Santos, coverage by De Chavez. Binalik kay J-Lo. Arasan rolls it, Cepada. And now Pasha. Long rally. Cepada na naman. Looking to end it, Pasha. And we keep on going. Back row, Pipino. Pasha from the right pin. What a save by Angge Reyes. Chance ball. Cortez. De Leon had to reach. Longest exchange and UE will win it.
And there you go. Better floor defense for the side of UE. We saw a lot of easy balls going on the way of Ateneo, but they weren't able to convert those into a point or capitalize on those balls. But take a look at that one-handed dig.
Arasan now with a full front line, 7 serving 14. And they improvise with Zay Pasha.
Oh!
They have been in control panayang of this entire set.
That's right. And lesser errors on the service line as well.
Bangayan. J-Lo playing setter for Hermosura. Good block for the Lady Warriors. Cortez going behind the blockers. Chance ball for Ateneo. Cortez back to Pasha.
Oh, that's
Pasha
inside.
finds the line. She has been on fire here in set
Yes.
number 2. Back to a 9-point lead. De Leon now serving. Service ace for Donna De Leon.
So now clearly the challenge here for UE is their first ball. We're seeing a lot of service aces from Ateneo.
But UE down big here. Cortez, Chuatico here for Lomoxo. Chance for UE. Arasan will set. Pepino walled up. Lomoxo, a high set for De Los Santos. Cross court was dug by Reyes. Cepada will answer. Lomoxo will set. J-Lo. Another long exchange here. Cepada this time from the right pin. De Los Santos finding the open spot.
That was a good push.
You set up De Los Santos. Arasan. Cepada. This is what we said about her top of the coverage. Anong score, anong record, palaban talaga ni Kai
Yes.
Cepada. But first,
Masyado siya malapit sa setter. Iba-iba yung position niya on the play. May 4, may 2, and may 1.
Cepada na naman!
That was 4 consecutive points from her. So clearly Cepada giving problems to the Ateneo squad.
The first player. Moscow makes her way to the service line. Chance here for Ateneo. Put down. Right there. And within 5 again. Lomoxo. Rejected. And the run continues. An 8-2 run. Once again, the biggest lead was 10 points at 20-10 in favor of Ateneo. Arasan with the full front line. Cortez, J-Lo, rejected again! 23 serving 19, 2 points away for Ateneo. Arasan will send it to the hot hand. Try to go behind the blockers. De Chavez to Pasha. Reyes will send it back. KC to De Leon. Perfect placement for set point.
Blockers na iba yung direksyon ng bola.
Arasan. Cepada, dug by De Chavez. Hermosura for the finisher. And Ateneo will reply despite the run of UE.
Take a look at that last point of the set. It was in between two blockers.
Ateneo now keep watching us here on One Sports, the Pilipinas Live app, and the UAAP Varsity channel. Welcome to set number 3. UE looking to extend this. Ateneo looking to go home early. Arasan bumps it. And Cepada sends it to Hermosura. Cortez back set. Pasha had to wait. Pia going to the middle. The touch by Pasha. Chance ball for the Lady Warriors. Cepada. Cortez. Zay. And that is a point for UE to start things off. Arasan. High setup for Cepada. Targeting hands once again. And for the UE fans, would love to see her back for one more year. And as I say that, make that 14 points.
For this last set, it's exactly that hope that needs to push them to a win. This is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Panay.
That's a really good report by Vixie Burgos. Well, Panay, exactly what Vicky said. But first, our Hyundai.
But also, it's also important na magkaroon kayo ng magandang teamwork, no? And we kept on mentioning the importance of how to adjust quickly inside the court because, of course, your opponents are still looking for something.
Their story is the perfect example of how no matter the doubts, the losses, they go back again and again and again to fight for another day. And it was an honor to witness that at courtside.
So Cortez with a full front line. Hermosura, an option in the back row. Arasan going to Cepada.
It goes inside. Cross-court angle there for Cepada.
She just continues to fight.
Yes.
Pasha left alone. Makes them pay here. Spike of the set brought to you by Dunkin. Pasalubong ng Bayan.
So that's the difference when you activate your middle attackers.
Donna De Leon with a one-man block, and we are tied at 10.
I think 2 kill blocks, consecutive kill blocks came from Donna De Leon.
Cortez to De Leon. Automatic.
Yes, De Leon is unstoppable now in the set number 3. She remains a threat whenever she goes for the quick hits, and also with her net defense contributing.
Season high is 15 points. She already has 13. Pepino, that was checked. Suatico, Nogueras was right there, but the ball is still in play. Arasan sending it to Pepino.
Good touch.
Chance ball. Pia now to the opposite for Bangayan. Los Santos with the coverage. Pasha denied. Pasha again. Long rally. Pepino looking to end it. But guess what? Not in here, says Jihan Chuadigo.
Again, another kill block for Ateneo.
Cortez. Here comes Pepino. Good location for Pepino.
Yes. And long ball yun and it landed right on the line.
Entering the game for the first time here. One-handed set for Jihan. Won't drop. Pepino. Good coverage there by Cepada. Now it's Bangayan who will put it away.
So this is a good front row for UE. You have Bangayan on the opposite and Pepino.
Isang kwentong tatagos sa puso. Abangan simula April 27, 8:45 p.m. sa Todo Max Primetime 5 ng TV5. And Chotiko right away. Now the service line, Zeltson Nashima. Had a couple of great games this season coming off the bench. Pepino is denied.
Now slowly humahabol itong Ateneo sa lamang ng UE. Earlier they're down by 4 points and now
For another kill block. Arasan sending it to Pepino. Cortez right there covering the net. Now they go the other side. Bring it on. Sabi ni Van Bangayan.
I think that was her strongest hit for this game so far. And I wanted to see saan siya dumaan. Was it in between two blockers or on the side of the middle block? That was it.
Reyes with a coverage. KC back to Hermosura.
Off the block, Ana
Targeting hands
Hermosura.
once again.
Hazel Pepino serving for UE.
Cortez. 1-2.
Cortez.
From Happening Torres. Serving and sweeping. De Leon. Undiggable there. Donna De Leon now leading. Ateneo scoring with Arasan. That's sent back. It's time for Bangayan. Cortez will set. Here comes De Los Santos. J-Lo was looking to go above the blockers.
It was outside, but there was a net touch violation called on UE. So
Yes, there is a net fault. And good news for Ateneo. They have a full front line. Good rotation here to take the lead. Cepada will attack.
too easy for the side of Ateneo.
De Los Santos. Great defense again by Angge Reyes. Arasan with good coverage. Chance ball for the Blue Eagles. Cortez, back set. Tsunashima, not yet there. Balik kay Cepada. And Cepada got the touch. Arasan, her turn to have a full front line, clinging onto this 1-point lead. Good serve. Tsunashima, binalik. Cortez swings it to the other side, and De Los Santos ties it up at 20. Good first pass. Hermosura unpacks.
That is inside.
Much needed
Ana
point for
Hermosura.
Ateneo.
Their mission is to try to get back here. They're down by 2. Cortez, Hermosura. Once again, finding an open spot. 29 points for Cepada and Bangayan combined. A chance here for a UE. Pepino. Tag by Arroyo. Hermosura off the block.
She said not yet.
Hermosura.
Hermosura with getting ready to serve. There you go. Good first ball.
And now the setup will be to Cepada.
Oh,
Easily.
easy.
J-Lo. Arasan. Cortez. Balik kay De Los Santos. And we are tied at 24. This is where mental toughness comes into the fold. Pepino. De Los Santos. There's a battle at the net. And that point will be given to Ateneo.
So the challenge was a block touch, but the first referee called it reaching beyond the blockers.
Big serves coming up. And that is outside for Cañete. Sumasayaw na to si Kai Cepada sa tense ng set number 3.
Pampa-relax. Grabe, intense itong set number 3.
Thus far. Front line. Arasan. Cepada now in the front. And Cepada. So here's the video challenge. And that is wide.
Bowling ball out challenge.
Oh, my
Oh.
goodness me.
And we're tied again at 27. And a service ace for J-Lo De Los Santos to win this game.